In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create intros and outros in Google Vids. Whether you're a budding content creator, looking to professionalize your presentations, or just aiming to add a little flair to your personal video projects. Mastering the art of crafting the perfect intro and outro in Google Vids can enhance your video content significantly. Let's dive in and explore this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily and make the most out of your video editing journey. First things first, we'll need to navigate to Google Vids. Google Vids is part of the Google Workspace, a suite of tools designed to enhance productivity and creativity. To get started, simply open your preferred web browser and search for Google Vids, or go directly to the Google Vids page on the Google Workspace website. Once you're there, you're ready to take the next step. Now it's time to sign in. On the Google Vids landing page, you'll find the Sign In option. Click on it. This is a straightforward step, but it's crucial for accessing all the features that Google Vids has to offer. If you're not already signed into your Google account, this step will redirect you to the Google login page. Choosing your Google account is next. If you're like many users, you might have more than one Google account. Whether it's for personal use, school, or work, make sure to choose the account that's relevant for the video project you're working on. Picking the right account helps keep your projects organized and ensures you have access to the right resources and permissions. With your account selected and access secured, it's time to focus on the creative part. Navigate to the Scene section within Google Vids. This is where the magic begins. The Scene section is essentially your canvas for video creation, allowing you to stitch together different elements of your video, including those all-important intros and outros. In the Scene section, you'll notice the template option. Click on this to explore the various pre-designed templates Google Vids offers. These templates are not just time savers. They're designed by professionals to look amazing and cater to a wide range of styles and preferences. Whether your video is formal, casual, educational, or purely for entertainment, there's likely a template that fits your needs. This brings us to the crux of today's tutorial, choosing an intro and outro template. When you click on the template option, take your time to browse through the selection of intros and outros available. Think about the tone and the message you want to set for your video. The intro is the very first thing your audience will see, so it's crucial to make it engaging and reflective of the content that follows. Similarly, your outro provides a lasting impression and is an excellent opportunity to encourage viewers to take action, like subscribing to a channel or visiting a website. As you select your intro and outro templates, remember that these elements should complement each other and the overall flow of your video. Consistency in style, color, and message reinforces your video's identity and keeps your audience engaged from start to finish. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your video projects in Google Vids by integrating professional-looking intros and outros. Remember, the key to a compelling video is not just in the content, but also in how you present it. Intros and outros serve as the bookends of your story, framing your content and providing a complete viewing experience. Before we wrap up, a final tip: don't be afraid to experiment. Google Vids is a versatile tool that allows for creativity and modification. Play around with different templates and see what works best for your video content. The beauty of digital creation is in the endless possibilities for innovation and personalization. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on creating intros and outros in Google Vids. I hope you found these steps clear and easy to follow. With a bit of practice and creativity, you'll be producing videos that not only look great, but captivate and compel your audience from the first second to the last. Happy creating!